Hi, this is Srinivasa Tirunagari. In the last class, we discussed about insert statement. In this class, we discuss about update statement. Topics covered: changing data in a table, update table. Changing data in a table. Say for example, we have a table called employees and this is the data. In this diagram, you find that department ID is highlighted. Department ID 60, 60, 60. There are three records for department ID 60. These are the employees. Diana, Bruce, Alexander, they belong to department 60. And update rows in the employees table. How can you do that? Change these department IDs of these employees, Alexander, Bruce, Diana, to department 80. You change this. So how do you change? After changing the data into the table, it looks like this. Bruce will belong to, Alexander also belong to 80, Bruce belongs to 80 department, Diana belongs to department ID 80. Update statement syntax. Modifying existing values in a table with the update statement. With the help of update statement, we modify the existing values with the new values in the table. The syntax goes like this. Update is a reserved word or keyword which indicates to modify the table. Update table name, set column name 1 is equal to value 1, column name 2 is equal to value 2. Like that you have n number of columns list and values list, and you can also optionally you can have a where clause, where condition. So that is why it is written in square brackets. This indicates that it is optional. If it is required, you can update more than one row at a time. That is also possible. Updating rows in a table. So the requirement is change the department ID of the employee 113. He belongs to department ID 100 initially and move him to department ID 50. So let us write a update statement. It goes like this. Update employees, this is the name of the table. Set department ID, this is the name of the column, is equal to 50 is the value you are assigning to this column. Where you are using where clause, where employee ID is equal to 113. So this is the requirement. You have to change the department for the employee ID 113. Let us see this employee 113 belongs to which department. Write a select query, select star from employees where employee ID is equal to 113. You will get all the details. Click on this, you will get the list. So first name is Lois and last name is Pop and he belongs to 100, department ID 100. Now it is required to change the department ID to 50. I write update statement like this. Update employees, set department ID is equal to 50, where employee ID is equal to 113. For this employee, I am updating his department. So click on this. It says one row updated successfully. That means the department ID has been changed to 50 for the employee ID 113. Now I would like to see whether this update statement is executed successfully and the values have been changed or not. By using select statement, I can find out. Select star from employees where employee ID is equal to 113. So click on this green button. You will see that. Let us see the department ID. It has been changed to 50. Earlier it was 100. Now the department ID new value is 50. Update statement example 2. Suppose if you omit the where clause, values for all the rows in the table are modified if you omit the where clause. Let us take an example. Let us change the department ID of all the employees to 110 in the table copy underscore emp. There is a table called copy underscore emp which will have all the details of the employees including the department IDs. So the update statement goes like this. Update copy emp set department ID is equal to 110. Here in this example, I omit the where clause. All the records will be updated in the table. Before we execute the query, let us see what are the values for department ID in this table for all employees. Select star from copy underscore emp. Click on the green button, you will get the result. And you see this Stephen King belongs to 90. We have different departments 60, 60, 100. So different employees belong to different departments. Now I will use update statement to set the department ID to 110 for all the employees. So highlight this query, highlight this select statement and click on this button. It says that 107 rows updated. That means this update statement is executed successfully and there are 107 records and they are updated. Now let us see whether the table has been updated or not using select query. Select star from copy M. You click on this green button, you will get the results. See, look at this department ID. For every employee it is changed to 1110. See this? Every record is with 110. That means all the records have been updated with the value 110 because we did not use where class, we did not restrict. This is all about update statement. Thank you.